Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how rotate a single page in Word. We will start by opening the Word document. When you are here, in the Layout menu, you are going to click on Breaks and then click on Next Page. After this, with the cursor on the new page, from the same Layout menu, you will click on Orientation and then choose the Landscape option. As you can see, this is the way to rotate a sheet in your Word document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.